Here I have iPhone SE 2022, and today I'm going to show you how to take a burst shot or the series of photos on this device. So firstly you have to open settings, then go to the camera settings, and here you have use volume up for burst. So after you have this feature enabled, you can use volume up button to take a burst shot. For example, let's try out, and as you can see right now I took 24 shots. Here you can view them. Okay, and here you can view all these shots, as you can see. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.